Welcome to the Google Business Listing Training. Now, everybody is on Google, and that includes your potential customers. In today's digitally driven world, the success of any business, regardless of its size or the industry, is intricately tied to its online presence. With consumers increasingly turning to the internet to discover and engage with local businesses, having a strong online footprint is no longer a luxury but a necessity for you. One invaluable tool that entrepreneurs and business owners must not overlook in their quest for online visibilities and customer engagement is the Google Business Listing. This free and powerful Google platform offers a multitude of benefits, from enhancing your online visibility and credibility to directly connecting with your potential customers. In this era of digital transformation, it is not just advisable but imperative for business owners to harness the potential of Google Business Listing to not just only survive but thrive in the competitive landscape. In this video course, we will delve deep into the reasons why you as a business owner must seize the opportunity and harness the full potential of Google Business Listing to elevate your brand, to attract your customers, and ultimately skyrocket your profitability. At the end of this clear, easy to follow course, your business should be ranking top on the Google Business Listing for your market, and not just that, it will appear with top excellence and professionalism. So once again, I welcome you to this amazing Google Business Listing practical course. Now, before we delve deeper into the Google Business Listing course, it will be a great idea to take a look at a few statistics. According to the most recent statistics, local searches continue to grow in importance, with a significant percentage of searches on Google having local intent. In 2021, it was estimated that over 46% of all Google searches were for local businesses or services. What will that statistics be looking like in 2023? Your guess should be as wild as mine. Number 2, Google Maps remain a widely used navigation tool with billions of monthly users. Now, businesses with well-optimized Google Business Listing are more likely to be discovered by users searching for local services and directions in the year 2023. Number 3, customer reviews continue to influence consumer behaviors. Businesses with higher ratings and more positive reviews on their Google Business Listing tend to attract more customers than ever before. A study found that around 90% of consumers read online reviews before visiting a business or making a purchase. Now, number 4, as mobile devices usage continues to grow, it is essential to ensure that your Google Business Listing is mobile friendly. A substantial portion of searches from Google occur on smartphones, and mobile optimized listings are more likely to convert visitors into customers. I can go on and on and on, but these very few statistics is a proof that mastering Google Business Listing should be about the biggest thing you can do for your business to achieve massive upgrade moving forward. When you consider that Google Business Listing is free, then this even becomes more fascinating. This works great and is so easy to master. You will feel that you have done your business and your brand a world of good for investing into this course. If you're ready, then let's get started on this amazing journey.